After the fall of Rome, Europe found itself in the feudal era while the Islamic Golden Age flourished, propelling advancements in science and culture. During this time, great civilizations like the Byzantine Empire, Song, China, Mali, and the Maya thrived across Asia, Africa, and the Americas. In the heart of the Byzantine Empire, merchants filled the marketplaces with exotic goods, while across the seas, scholars in Song, China engaged in deep discussions about philosophy and science, laying the groundwork for future generations. The Mali Empire boasted grand palaces where celebrations intertwined with culture, showcasing the richness of its heritage. Meanwhile, in the heart of the Americas, the Maya civilization thrived with majestic pyramids, serving as the backdrop for sacred rituals, drawing the community together in shared reverence. Knights in shining armor rode through the countryside, embodying the feudal system that defined much of Europe during this time. In contrast, Islamic institutions became centers of learning, where students eagerly absorbed knowledge in mathematics and science, advancing their civilization into new realms of understanding.